Hey everybody watching, how's it going? Today I'm here riding my veteran Sherman once again, but this time to one of the highest peaks near Vienna, man. It's about 700 meters high. I actually had to do some shopping in the area, and I heard some really cool things about this place. So I was here to check it out. Man, these roads are so steep and so rough. It was crazy. Really, it may not look like that because the camera stabilizes the footage, but it was very bumpy. The wheels performed overall really well, like you saw in the beginning of the video. It has plenty of torque, it has the engine power, but man, the force has to go somewhere, I will tell you that for rides like this, if you're not going fast, you can have some comfort even with the wheel like this because of the weight, and if you get that tire pressure dialed in very well, it can be comfortable, but if you want to go full send, and have some fun and comfort, you really need suspension for rides like this, for sure. And man, these mountains up here, they're actually very East Alps. This is where the Alps begin in the east, and they're going across the whole country, across whole Austria, and some other countries too, man. Very cool. Like you see here, man, the trees have. They're very unique for me, at least, and from where I am right here, maybe a few kilometers further up in the mountains, there are even peaks above 2000 actually, 2000 meters high. Alright guys, I will let this play out with a little bit of music. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and consider to subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I actually had some wrist injury in the past few weeks ago and wasn't able to ride really hard, but I really try to get as much content out as I can. So yeah, stay tuned, and I will see you in the next one.